Hi guys, welcome to our in-depth review of the Thunderbox 300 Lite by O2 Project Philippines. So this is a budget-friendly portable power station with a Life PO4 battery and expansion capability, as you will see later in this video. The Thunderbox 300 Lite is a compact portable power station designed for people who need reliable backup power without spending on EcoFlow or Blue Yeti pricing. Based on the unit itself, it offers a 307.2 light watt hours. No, we have multiple AC outlets and DC outputs. For the key specifications, again, this is a LiPo4 battery at 12.8 24 amp hours. Multiplied that, so you'll get a 307.2 watt hour. So, ang special feature nito for me is the battery expansion capability. No? So, what I like about the Thunderbox Lite, the strongest selling point for me for this one is the value for money compared to known brands like EcoFlow and Blue Yeti. This can be positioned as a more affordable alternative, possibly around 50% cheaper depending on the model and comparison per seller price. No? The battery expansion capability naman is also a major plus kasi maliit lang siya. Many budget power stations are limited to their built-in capacity, but the Thunderbox Lite 300 Lite gives some rooms to users to expand or upgrade. The unit also has a practical selection of AC outputs, as you can see. For brownouts and outdoor use, basic emergency power, napakaganda niyang gamitin. So, sa performance expectation naman natin, again, it's a 307.2 watt hour, capacity at 300 watts output. No? So, pwede siyang phone charging, laptop charging, Wi-Fi router, LED lights, electric fan, camera batteries, rechargeable lights, small DC devices up to 300 watts again. Basic emergency, maganda siya during brownouts. However, it is not designed for heavy appliances. Try to avoid it using high wattage devices such as rice cooker, electric refrigerators, aircon, and prep. So, yung use case, ideal siya for home emergency backup during power interruption, student or remote workers needing router backup pag may mga brownout, mobile workstation. It can also be a solar-powered basic setup. Maganda rin siya sa budget-conscious users who want a power station without a premium pricing. For Philippine user, maganda siya kasi around nasa 7,000 lang ito nung binili ko eh. So, comparing naman EcoFlow to Blue Yeti, EcoFlow are more established brands, usually with a better support. Pero Thunderbox competes with mainly the price and practicality. It may not feel as premium as EcoFlow Blue Yeti, but users who need power and portability, it has, no? So, again, EcoFlow premium, polished, branded. Thunderbox naman is affordable, practical, and expandable power backup. No? So there are things that you need to consider before buying. The design is functional but not as premium looking as the bigger brand. The screen is basic. Since this is a budget-friendly unit, after sales support is important. Make sure the seller provide proper guidance with the battery expansion. So for my final verdict, the Thunderbox is a strong budget portable power station for users who want this is the essential, no? It has 307.2 watt hours. It's not a replacement for high capacity premium power station for its price. So if I would rate it from 0 to 5, I would rate it 4.2. This is not ideal for heavy appliances, high wattage equipment, or users who need premium app-based power station solutions. So again, this is the Thunderbox 300 Lite. Yan. Available on Shopee and Lazada. You can also I forgot to mention, you can use up to 200 watt solar panel or photovoltaic panel to charge this one for you to achieve the actual best use case for any power station for that matter. Just make sure that the photovoltaic panel that you'll get would be below the 18 volts VOC capacity for this type of power station. So again, I have used this many times and it hasn't let me down naman so far for the past year that I've been using this device. So if you are often experiencing power blackouts or rotational brownouts, best to get this one if your budget is tight and you need a immediate power station for backup for work, for study, or just for household use. So that's it, guys, for this one. I'm see you on the next one. We'll be reviewing the Thunderbox again, the 850 XL naman in the next video. Ciao!